Hey, what's going on, guys? Bill here, and today we're going to be talking about microphones. We'll be talking about the types of microphones, what you can do with them, which ones are best for what type of content creation. So the types of microphones I'll be talking about today are condenser microphones like the Blue Yeti, shotgun condenser microphones like the Rode Videomic Pro, lavalier or lav mics like the purple Panda, and onboard mics like that you'd find on your phone or on your camera. I'm curious, what kind of microphone are you using? Let me know in the comments. So right now for this basic talking head, I'm using the Rode Videomic Pro on my camera through the onboard 3.5mm jack. This is a great microphone for if you're talking to the camera, doing vlogs. You don't want to have to be right up against the mic, but you don't want to be too far. So this one gives you good middle ground and good quality without too much distortion. So now I'm using the Blue Yeti. This microphone is great for commentaries or if you're able to keep your camera off scene. It produces very clear, deep lows and some nice crisp highs. You have to be careful with this one, however, because it will pick up a lot of the sounds in your room. I highly suggest keeping your gain all the way down and only increase it if you really need to, because the more you increase your gain, the more distortion and outside noise you'll get. Okay, so now I'm using the purple Panda lavalier mic. The sound is probably a little more muffled. It's not quite as clear. You don't get that detail of my voice, but you're really not getting any background noise. This is a great option. It's cheap. I picked this one up for $25 and it's got a ton of attachments and extension, and right now I've got it just plugged straight into my camera. You can also plug this into your computer and record using even the Windows voice recorder app. Another great option is that you can have your phone in your pocket, the lav mic plugged into your phone, and you can go 100 feet away from the camera and you can still be heard because you just sync up the audio later in post-production. And finally here, we've got the onboard microphone. It does not sound very good, and I would only suggest this if this is all you've got and you can't afford the $25 for a lavalier mic. So which one do you think sounds best? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button down below so you can get the latest videos as soon as they're posted. I will likely be doing reviews of each of these mics on their own, so if there's one in particular that you guys really want to know more about, let me know and I will make sure to make a video of it. So I think that the verdict for today is that if you want really good quality audio that you don't have to do much to make it sound good, you're gonna want one of these. The shotgun mic is a good alternative if you're on the go, but it does pick up a lot of the room audio, the room noise, things like that, which can be a little troublesome. The lavalier mic, the purple Panda, it's a nice addition, but it's not really the best option if you have access to either of the condenser microphones. And in last place would have to be the onboard audio, where it's just not worth it if you have anything else. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, don't be afraid to hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more, because we got lots coming up, and I'll catch you next time.